Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change to feet in Planner 5D. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in Planner 5D. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Planner 5D if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the left side of the screen on the up side, we have the products, resources, enterprise, and pricing. In the top right corner, we have your projects and design school and those things. And of course, here we have your projects. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and second, so how you can go and change the feed in Planner 5D. So to do so, you just need to go into a project or create your new project. When you click on a project, then you'll have your project like this. And just a second, here we have a lot of things again. So we have basically the search, build, furnish, and a lot of those stuff. But what we need to do is go to the top right corner and click on, out of all of these options here, click on this option here. When you're there, you just need to go to dimensions, and here you can see metric unit. It is on meter and centimeter. You just need to go and click on feet and inch, and it'll change automatically. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. As guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.